Honestly, I can't believe that you didn't hear me by now. I was speaking the whole live, but this is a weird platform for me. So, okay, I will know in the future what to do in order for you to hear me too. Wow, can't believe this. Yes, there are a lot of calculators for US30. I'm using them too. It doesn't really matter which one. For example, you can go to the Gold Funded Trader website and they have one there. However, you need to change some settings in order for it to work correctly. Yeah, I'm so sorry for the scams, guys. I really, it's not in my position to close these accounts, or I don't know. The only thing that I can do is to just let you know about them, but I can't close them. I can't do anything about them. And I never had a LinkedIn in my life, by the way. I don't share my WhatsApp number. I don't write you through TikTok or other apps. I never wrote you first, so be aware of that. I don't know what's the code for US30. It depends on your broker, honestly. Some people have it as DOE30. Some people have it at US30. Others have US30 point cash or something. Depends a lot on your broker. Hello, Paul. This is what I learned by far. Usually yes, but let's wait for Paul because Paul is going to send the US30 analysis and signal. So yes, that's true. As I mentioned, we use FTMO. for that. So you can follow the FTMO. For example, you can create a demo FTMO account if you don't want to trade with it and watch the prices on there, or to follow the Black Bull chart on TradingView. Yeah, I know that it's pretty hard. We got a lot of problems with the copy trader because of that, but in the end, like, you just have to solve all of them and it will work correctly. While we're waiting, guys, please don't forget to like and to leave comments, push this live, because in this way YouTube will see that it's an interesting one and it will push us further, because it's like my second live on charts. Not YouTube is not friendly with us for now. When this happens to me, because it happens to me too, you're not the only one, so it's okay. Usually I just start a new account. I don't have the energy in order to get out of a drawdown and continue with that specific account. Of course, you can keep it and, I don't know, it's funded, okay. It's great for you. However, you can trade it like when you have time, when you have the energy, when you're okay, when you have another funded account to trade with. Like, don't lose your time on that. Thank you so much. We'd rather be real than send you some fake signals, fake results. Like, it's okay. If we're losing, we're losing. Everybody's losing in trading from time to time. We don't have to hide it only to get some more subscriptions or whatever. We just want to be real and to see and to share with you the real side of trading, because as you can see, we had some losses in the past 3-4 days. Like, we just lost. However, I remind you that if you keep a good risk management, everything will be fine for your account. Abonamentul este 100 de euro pe lună. we can predict that. We can predict where the price is going. We don't have any confirmation for entry. First of all, we just have to wait a little bit. And then we have to see what the price is doing. Because even if you're in a trade, you can't really guess where the price is moving if you don't see the action of the candles. Like, you have to follow the candles and the way that they move, how fast they move, how long they are, however. Like, you can just tell where the price is moving. I really don't like it. Like when somebody says that they can predict the price before any movement happening. You have to watch the price action. Both on funded and personal. Right now, for example, I will open a new challenge next week. And the main account that we're using for the copy trader is a live account on FTMO. We're trading on multiple accounts, not just one. And I suggest you the same. Don't put a base in one single account. Trade on more. The code is still available for now. However, I suggest you to go for the Telegram group directly. The Discord group moves a little bit slower, for example, with a couple of seconds slower than the Telegram group, and I don't want you to lose the entries. However, we will try to change that. For now, we don't have any way to solve it. That's not a really nice entry for the sell on gold, I can tell that. However, I still have hope for that sell side liquidity because it needs to be taken, unfortunately, and it's a lot. Just look at that. It was building and building overnight. All right. So I don't know the full name of the song. It's called Daydreaming on the app that I'm live streaming. It's just a sample that I received here to put on the background. Yes, that's the 3-minute chart. However, our analysis is not based on 3 minutes or I don't know 1 minute. We go for higher time frames. We are still keeping the gold position. Just wait for it and let's see what happens. We didn't close it yet. Nu putem ști cu exactitate cât durează un trade, depinde foarte mult de cum se mișcă piața. Uneori putem să închidem un trade foarte rapid, în 10 minute, alteori poate să stea acolo o oră, două. Deci depinde foarte mult de mișcarea pieței. Cu toate astea, nu ținem trade-uri mai mult de o zi. I am from Romania. If you're talking about the software that I'm doing this live, I'm doing it on StreamYard, which is pretty good, so I totally recommend it. Yes, we do. We do have NFP. It is what it is. Right now, we can still trade. Of course, the price doesn't react too nicely, but still we got some time left. You're welcome. We're trying to do this at least 2-3 times a week for you guys to see what we're doing inside the group. We want to keep up with the positions and maybe every week to show you at the end of it, like what trades we take. Oh my god, I'm so tired right now. What happens usually is that when I'm tired, I can't really speak correctly in English. I'm living in Philippines right now, so for me the time zone is pretty different. For example, New York session starts at 8 p.m. and continues during the night, so I kind of need to stay up late, and it messes with my schedule. So yeah, at the end of the week, we are going to make a recap of the trades that we took inside Premium, and I'm gonna show it through a video. Thank you so much, and we are waiting you inside the next one. We're gonna do more of this. Pentru cei care nu înțeleg tot ce spun, îmi pare extrem de rău. Am încercat să-mi deschid și un canal separat în limba română, însă nu-mi permite timpul să fiu la fel de activă ca aici. Cu toate astea, semnalele vor fi la fel pentru toată lumea. Se înțelege perfect. Entry, take profit, stop loss și explicațiile la fel se înțeleg rapid. Să știți că niciunul dintre echipa pe care o avem, adică niciun membru nu știe foarte bine engleză, îl avem pe Paul, care nici el nu vorbește foarte bine engleză și, din câte ați văzut, nici eu. Totuși încerc. That's Romanian. I just explained my Romanian followers that I don't really speak English that good. I'm trying. However, like when you're talking about trading, about charts, everything is pretty similar. You just have to visualize it and understand it on chart. So it's not a big deal. Yeah, sorry, sometimes the chart just freezes a bit. We are sitting around the entry point. Let's see what's happening. The bearish candles look good for now, but let's just see, because right now it's the New York hour of volume. We use liquidity concepts. So as you can see, there's a lot of sell side liquidity sitting over here. We also use trend lines for taking the trades. We use the trend lines on higher time frames, premium and discount areas. So that's why. Yes, also if you're following supply and demand zones, support and resistance, usually guys, let me tell you something, it's the same thing. All the concepts focus on the same thing. It's not the fact that some people follow the banks and some do not. Like, we all trade in the same way, we just call the concept in a different way. So supply or demand or support and resistance is exactly the same thing. Yeah, New York already opened, actually. So, yeah. Here at 8 p.m. for me. However, the hour of volume, the New York Stock Exchange opened just now. Usually I'm following the New York Stock Exchange more than the New York opening, because this is when the movements are happening. Right now I'm trading on a MacBook Pro M1, I think. Yeah. However, I'm taking my trades on the phone. As you may already know, MetaTrader doesn't work good on a MacBook. I don't think that it works at all. So if you really want to trade on a MacBook, on MetaTrader, you have to install VPS, I think it's called. So basically a virtual computer. So inside the MacBook, you will have a Windows computer that you can trade on. I tried that, and however, it's so slow that I don't recommend this. So yeah, that's why I'm trading on my phone for now. However, I like how TradingView is moving and all the softwares that I installed on it. I'm pretty sure that there's an M2 version right now. I'm not so sure, actually. So for me, right now, it's 9 p.m. So the New York hours of volume are at 9 p.m. So I'm a night owl because of that. when I was in Europe, I traded New York around 3 p.m. So during the day. So for sessions, this is a script, guys. This is not an indicator, but however, I'm pretty sure that there are similar ones. You can search for indicators of, I don't know, you can search for something related to volume and sessions, and you will find something similar. This was from Fiverr. I paid someone to do it. And also, if you want to see the sessions entirely, this is two colored for me. Sometimes I watch it when I change countries. It shows you exactly when a session starts and when a session ends. So see, for example, this is London here. This is the entire London session. However, as you can see, this is the hour of volume over here. So I prefer to watch only the indicator for the hour of volume. Again, for me, it's a script. It's not an indicator, but you can find similar indicators. Okay, nice candles. I like what I'm seeing for now, but let's look further. Honestly, I trade on both. I feel like MetaTrader 5 has more stuff included. I don't know if you want to use the new things that came with MetaTrader 5. Yeah, that's good. For example, you can open multiple positions at the same time, like pretty easily, pretty fast. You can do that with MetaTrader 4. But for me, for the way that I trade, it doesn't bother me if I trade on both. That's what I'm doing. I'm trading on one single phone actually. And sometimes I want to trade on multiple accounts. So I need to have MetaTrader 4 and also MetaTrader 5. Yes, for now I calculate them manually. I can't trade on MetaTrader on the desktop version. So I don't know any software that can calculate them automatically on the phone. So for now, yeah, I'm calculating each one. Okay, so somebody offered us an alternative, Sessions Lux Algo. So you can use this one instead of the one that I'm having. Oh, that's great. So nice to hear that. Yeah, they all have advantages and disadvantages. An advantage for MetaTrader 4 is the fact that if you're using AI trading, you can do it better on MetaTrader 4 instead of MetaTrader 5. I never seen a bot on MetaTrader 5. So for the sales, we had news that pushed the price into the supply area on daily. Also, we use trend lines. We don't really use supply and demand, support and resistance. And if you look to the left, look how much liquidity was built here. Like this needs to be taken. And that's the loss that we took yesterday. But we're transparent about it. Losses are normal. So We've been already for 1 hour here, almost 1 hour. The price doesn't move too fast. The fast movement happened during the news, so the upwards push was the one that was done fast, and right now I'm pretty sure that we'll have to wait a little bit. So yeah, still no trade on US30, but prepare for it, because if we have confirmations, we will go for a trade there too. And I'm not gonna stay too much on live, because this is basically what we were waiting for. We were waiting to an entry here. Yes, for sure, that's possible too. However, don't forget that this is the NFP week too, so the price doesn't move in a nice way. So yeah, we are going to continue monitoring these trades that we entered. Also, let's see if we have something for US30 in the future this day. And I'm gonna close the live for now. Maybe I will do one tomorrow too. We'll see. However, I'll announce every time on the Telegram channel. So thank you for staying here with us, guys. We took an entry. Let's see if it's a good one or not. And we continue to follow it inside the Telegram channel. Thank you too.